Welcome back to our channel. Today the 2025 Honda Shine 125. Engine revving, smooth pan around the bike, something special. The 2025 Honda Shine 125. This bike has been a favorite for daily commuters, and Honda has made it even better this year. So, let's break down what makes this the best commuter bike in its class. Starting with the design, Honda has given the Shine 125 a more premium and aerodynamic look. The updated graphics, sleek fuel tank, and chrome accents give it a fresh, stylish appeal. The LED headlamp adds a modern touch, improving visibility for night rides. With a well-cushioned, long seat and a comfortable riding position, it's designed for effortless city commuting and even long-distance rides. Under the hood, Honda has packed a refined 123.94cc BS6 Phase 2 compliant engine that delivers 10.7 bhp and 11 Nm of torque. It's smooth, efficient, and reliable. The enhanced Smart Power (ESP) technology ensures optimal fuel combustion, reducing emissions and improving mileage. Speaking of mileage, the Shine 125 delivers an impressive fuel efficiency of around 60 km/L, making it one of the most economical choices in the segment. Riding this bike is a breeze. The telescopic front forks and dual rear shock absorbers provide a comfortable ride, even on bumpy roads. The 5-speed gearbox makes highway cruising effortless, reducing engine stress and improving fuel efficiency. The tubeless tires and optional front disc brake offer excellent grip and braking performance, ensuring safety in city traffic. One of the standout features of the 2025 model is Honda's Silent Start with ACG technology. This eliminates the typical starter motor sound, giving you a smooth, silent ignition. The bike also comes with an engine kill switch, a side stand engine cutoff, and a semi-digital instrument cluster that provides all essential information, including real-time mileage and service reminders. Honda's reliability is one of its strongest selling points, and the Shine 125 carries that legacy forward. The build quality is top-notch, ensuring longevity with minimal maintenance. With Honda's trusted after-sales service and wide dealership network, owning this bike is hassle-free. So, who is this bike for? If you're looking for a stylish, fuel-efficient, and low-maintenance commuter bike that offers excellent ride quality, the Honda Shine 125 is a perfect choice. It's ideal for city riders, office-goers, and even those who enjoy occasional long rides. The 2025 Honda Shine 125 is available in multiple color options and is competitively priced, making it a great value for money proposition. So, if you're planning to buy a new 125cc commuter, this should be at the top of your list. That's all for today's review. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Honda Shine 125. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more bike reviews. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next one.